Okay, so that was her sister knocking on the door because
look what just came! Oh my gosh!
that's such an address.
Oh yeah, let's not show our address. Okay, well, a big box just came, and you guys will see what's in it in, I guess, our next video. So, bye! Hey guys! I'm Gerlice, and this is Asia, and we're under construction. So,
if y'all watched the last video, you saw we were really interrupted. Well, not so really. It was a pleasant surprise for this one.
It was a very pleasant surprise. I was super excited. I actually entered into Kenny's giveaway. If you don't know who Kennie JD is, she's freaking awesome. If you aren't watching her videos, what are you doing with your life? But yeah, me and Angel are actually really avid watchers of all of her videos for the most part. She's super awesome, so gotta give her a shout out. Love you so much, Kenny. Thank you. I can't even believe I won. I was like, wait, no.
I'm kind of upset because I was like literally the first comment before her.
Yeah, I was like, wait, no way. But yeah,
I'm kind of salty, Kenny. It's kind of salty.
Okay, but yeah, so let me show you guys all I got, and yeah,
it's a lot.
It is. Like, it's so much stuff.
This is not just a normal giveaway. There's a crap ton of stuff in this box.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's this. First is this Leader's In Solution Aqua Blend Oil Serum. I'll insert a picture of it, but look, the packaging is so freaking cute.
I'm really upset that I didn't win.
So you don't like your Christmas presents? Is that what you're saying? And then, ooh, this Huxley Secret of Sahara Cream Anti-Gravity. Ooh. Great things never came. Yeah, great things never came from comfort zones. I like that. That's cute. And then, of course, you cannot talk about Korean skincare and not mention face masks. Oh my god, I needed these so bad. So there's this Innisfree Shea Butter one, the Collagen Olive Oil Botanical Mask Pack from Bon Vivant? I don't know. I'm going to insert a picture though or something. And then I got, also from the same brand, is the, ooh.
Those like antioxidant, those blueberries?
Adenosine and
acai.
And acai berry. And then that one's purple though. You gotta see like the lavendery color. That's so cute. And then another Innisfree one. I'm super happy about the Innisfree stuff. I love Innisfree. It's their Manuka honey mask. And ooh, it's a snail one. I always wanted a snail mask. This is the snail jelly mask. Yeah. Ooh, from Skiderm, I want to say. Yeah. Wait, is this a wash off one? Or no? No. And then there's this one from Hello Skin. There we go. Because this is all in Korean, so can't read that, but I know it's from Hello Skin. Okay. Also, there is the
Labiat.
Ooh, Labiat Lip Color Essence Volume Fit. Ooh. What color I would want to
open this for you while you talk.
Thank you. And there's the Labiat Wine Lip Tint. I feel like Kenny talked about these in a video.
She did.
Yeah. And she really liked these. I remember that. She said they were pretty cool. Let's see how we swatch these one. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh my god. The crazy thing about it is I'm such a fan of red. Here we go. I got it. But yeah, this red looks so cool. I'm in love with it. I love red. Red is one of my favorite colors, hence why it's on my nails, but don't be looking at my busted wretched nails.
Here, swatch that one. I'll put it back.
Thank you. And then let's watch the wine one. Oh, that's really pretty. That's gonna be pretty. It's like this pinky.
Kinky?
I said pinky.
Oh.
It's like this really cute pinky color. It's amazing. I love that. It's pink, but it's not too pink. I actually don't really like light pinks very often. So
that's really pretty pink.
Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so there's this Lobotica Aqua Tree Mild Peeling Gel for all skin types. It says to refine pores and smooth your skin. So there's this. And honestly, I'm really excited about this because I've only ever used the peeling mask that I have from the Face Shop. We're super lucky.
Was that the mango one?
Yeah, the mango. Yeah. Oh, it's SPF. That's what's up. Okay.
I've seen this a lot everywhere.
The Huxley Secret of Sahara Sun Cream. Ooh. It has SPF 50. That's what's up. I'm pretty sure the SPF I use now is like SPF 45 or 50 from Innisfree now. From the Face Shop. And now there's the...
We've been seeing that everywhere on YouTube.
Yeah, the LA BHA Skin Toner. I'm excited for this. This is going to be fun. And then there's... What are you? The Tula Probiotic Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. Oh, wow. It's a whole box. I thought there would be like a few. No, it's a giant box of them.
So what does this do?
Skin Reviving Treatment Pad. Polishes and exfoliates for smoother and brighter skin. I feel like it might be like, I guess.
Oh, it's like the Neogen ones.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
I'm excited to try these. Okay. And last.
I'm salty. I'm really salty.
She's saying that like she's not gonna end up trying half this stuff with me. Oh wow. Okay.
Look how huge this thing is.
You can't even see it because it's like all gray.
What?
But it's super cute. Okay, I'm sorry. Look, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, so there's this cute bag. It's so cute. Aww. Secret of the Sahara. And there's, ooh.
Here's a card that tells you everything.
Okay. There's a hand cream, a cleansing water, a cleansing gel, and then the toner, and then the scrub mask, ooh, and then a healing mask, and then a sleep mask. That's actually pretty awesome.
These are all really decent sample sizes too.
Like they're pretty nice.
Jeez. Here's the toner. That's a pretty big size.
Yeah, the toner, the gel, and the
Cleansing
water are all the same size. And then the hand cream is about this size. I'm like, geez, my hands would never ever be dry. And then the sleeping mask, the healing mask, and then the scrub mask are all about and things about this size. It's funny, this is almost the same color as my hand.
Kenny, why?
Oh my gosh.
Why don't you like me?
Oh my god.
Guys, I never won anything. I have never won anything. I'm just really unlucky.
I have never won anything.
I'm a loser.
Till right now. Like, I have never won any of the giveaways that I've entered. Then again, I don't really enter giveaways. This is one of the only ones that I've ever entered. And I was like, ooh. And I was thinking, of course, you know, maybe I'm not going to get it. But I'm super happy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And I'm most likely going to do a video on the things that I've tried here. Once I, you know, incorporate them into my skincare. Because, yeah, I'll tell you guys all about it then. And, of course, Asia will have probably tried half of them, too. Yeah. So
even if I didn't win, it's good to see a YouTuber. Because I've seen so many, like, people post about, like, giveaways. And they just, like, have pictures that they got from the internet and say, like, that they're giving it away to get more viewers and subscribers. And they pick a random winner. But, yeah, it's a fake winner. It's a fake giveaway. But, obviously, this is the real deal. Kenny is obviously the real deal. She's one of the most genuine people I've
come
seen
across
on YouTube. Yeah, so.
Yeah.
But, yay!
But thank you, Kenny. We love your videos. And we can't wait for your next one. Yay!
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.